Hey, welcome back to the Corvette Pasta YouTube channel. Got Patrick, got Bernard, we got this beautiful white C8, we got Ken.
Hey!
How's it going?
Alright.
Alright, so something that the C8s, they are obviously very, very cool just in their own right, but one thing, when you look inside the engine bay, it's just kind of, it's cool nonetheless because you got the motor in the back, but just not really, doesn't really stand out. So when you have a car like this with the white and the black accents and the edge red calipers, what you really need is an edge red engine cover. So that's what we're going to be installing right now. So take a look, edge red engine cover in this car right here. So stay tuned. All right, so here we go. So we got 4 bolts to take this guy off. It's hard to get the angle because of where this thing's at. 4 bolts to take off the engine cover, and then there's a snap here on, I'm not sure what that is. Part of the fuel rail.
It's already undone.
Yes, there's a snap there, and we'll pop this guy off. So we'll watch Ken get to work. Okay, so you got this clip that we need to get out. Oh, I got the tool for that. Okay, hang on a second. All right, I'll let you do that. So, just gotta have that little tool to pop the clip out. I'll make this look effortless, Ken, by the way.
We got a good editor.
Through the magic of editing.
Is it caught on something back there?
Well, it's got those ribs.
I got little ribs. There we go. That's all there is to it. Now we just...
All right, so Ken, so this is your new cover. Where did you get the, so this is, by the way, is beautiful. Hey B, can you bring that other one back up here?
Sure. So
here's the side by side. So we got the black. Got the black, and then this is like brushed aluminum. The Corvette flag is all black, and then this one here, the detail out is freaking awesome, with this being carbon flash and painted red and the edge red on this thing. So Ken, where'd you get this at?
American Hydrocarbon.
American Hydrocarbon. That is a nice piece. All right, so we're gonna get these pieces put back together and get this thing back on. All right, and there you go. That's literally 5 minute mod, and man, it really changes the look of this engine bay. Looks pretty awesome. Looks pretty awesome. Ken, looks pretty cool. Dig it?
Thank you. I think it looks pretty cool.
Yeah. So American Hydrocarbon. We'll put a link in the description down there, but check that out. But yes, this is actually the easiest mod you can do to dress up your engine bay for these things for sure. So, all right. Well, I know it's a short video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that And there he goes, yee yee. Give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Have a great night.
Yeah, I think he's got himself a nice note.
Vader. Vader. You ready to play ball? You ready to play ball? You ready to play ball? Hang on. You ready? Are you ready? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Bring me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me it.